My dear students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a video on the topic relative clause or topics in grammar. Relative clause means joining two sentences by using relative pronouns, as you can see in the example. Let's get started with the help of slides. We can use relative clauses to join two sentences or to give more information about something. I bought a car yesterday. It is very fast. Here are the two sentences. We can use relative clause to join two sentences in this way. I bought a new car that is very fast. Relative clause. While relating one sentence with another, a repeated word is replaced by suitable relative pronoun. For example, person as a subject is replaced by who, person as an object is replaced by whom, person as a possessive is replaced by whose, place is replaced with where, name of time is replaced with when, and things or thing is replaced with which. For example, the woman lives next door and she works in a bank. Its joint sentence is the woman lives next door works in a bank. Similarly, Mr. Sharma arrives at 9:40. The bell rings at 9:40. Its relative clause is Mr. Sharma arrives at 9:40 when the bell rings. Similarly, Alex went to Butwal. He was born in Butwal. Its joining sentence is Alex went to Butwal where he was born. Here, the word Butwal is repeated, therefore, Butwal is replaced with where. Similarly, number 4, I drank the milk, it was pure. I drank the milk, which was pure. Number next, Salman was an excellent driver. Salman's forehead was covered in sweat. Its answer is Salman, whose forehead was covered in sweat, was an excellent driver. There is apostrophe S with Salman. That means there is possessive person, Salman's. Therefore, there is use of whose. Next, Julia hadn't wanted to come in the first place. Boss had given the papers to Julia. Okay, इसको relative clause answer. Julia, to whom the boss had given papers, hadn't wanted to come in the first place. Join these sentences with appropriate relative clause. Number A. He is a musician. His albums have sold millions. Okay. Its relative clause is he is a musician whose albums have sold millions. Number B. Amelia speaks English and Chinese fluently. She is from Shanghai. The joint sentence is Amelia, who speaks English and Chinese, is from Shanghai. Number C. That's the stadium. Real Madrid plays here. Okay. The repeated one is stadium, and for that stadium there is word here. They have to replace stadium. That's the stadium where Real Madrid plays. Okay. Number D. The person was really helpful. They spoke to him. And here the repeated one is the person, and another one to him. To him is used for person, it is used as object person, therefore you have to use who. There is the word to, therefore you have to add to also. The person to whom they spoke was really helpful. Okay, now complete the sentences by using correct relative pronoun. It is for your practice. Number 1, that's the house I was born. Its answer is that's the house where I was born. Similarly, number B, people like outdoor activities will love our countries. Its answer is people who like outdoor activities will love our countries. Number C, the early 1960s the Beatles started was very exciting time for pop culture. Answer, the early 1960s when the Beatles started was very exciting time for pop culture. Next, that is the girl brother is in your class. That is the girl whose brother is in your class. Similarly, rewrite these statements adding an appropriate relative clause for practice. Janak went to Mahendranagar. It's a relative clause. You have to add suitable relative clause. Janak went back to Mahendranagar where he was born. Similarly, number 2. At last, the Ansel managed to repair the telephone. Completing the sentence. At last, the Ansel managed to repair the telephone which had been damaged. Okay. Number 3. The librarian turned round suddenly. Answer. The librarian who was issuing the book turned round suddenly. Number 4. Relative clause. We are under relative clause. We were all very grateful to Mr. Pandey. Okay. You have to add something appropriate. We were all very grateful to Mr. Pandey who had invited us in the party. Number 5. The driver was rewarded. The driver was rewarded. Answer. The driver who had driven us safe was rewarded. This way, I have come to an end of my topic. If you like this video, do like my video and subscribe my channel so that you will be notified when I upload next video which may be useful to you. Thank you very much.